few days ago, I was pitching in front of very big and important e-tailers in Italy about how to use generative AI to boost your e-commerce. This video is a summary about concrete shit you can apply today, now, subito, to boost your e-commerce using 3 concrete strategies applied to your stores, plus technical process we are using and testing right now, and why you should start now. We're gonna start by checking out this example. So if you understood what you can do now with OpenAI, you can pick a picture and use AI to describe this product and create a product description based on just few input, like an image, for example. So as you can see from this slide, we just gave to OpenAI the picture on the left, and on the right you can see this description, which is entirely provided and written by OpenAI. So this description is high quality description. It considers material quality, the product quality. It made consideration about timeless design, refined silhouette, skims the body, ensuring both comfort and elegance. It tells you the story about how it could be made, about crafting the material and the product itself, and it also provided consideration about the pairing. So it's very advanced, and compared to basic description you maybe are using and having on your e-commerce store, it can really provide a great value and a great increase on sales. The second example you can see here is still provided with input from image and creating a short description and a feature list. So it's still focused on creating a great product description, but in this case we gave a different brief to the AI, so to provide a bullet point version and a short synthetic description. Still works, high quality, and very applicable to the different stores and industries. What if we want to target the description to a different audience? So we asked OpenAI to provide us another version to a Generation Z, so very young generation. So it's a very different style of description that still covers the same information with a very different pitch and style. So it's very interesting and very powerful. So this, as you can understand, is the concrete application of generative AI to catalog improvement and product page optimization. We can get input like product image. We can use technical description, like when you're creating your catalog, you have some technical tables with some input that can be used to generate different outputs, or a mix of these. And we can generate through OpenAI description, reason why, feature list, use cases, pairing with. And if we do add other inputs of your brand, like tone of voice, the target you want to acquire and convince to buy, the navigation tree, and the list of tags that you're using as labels or to categorize and use filters on your store, you can add other options for output. So you can ask OpenAI to categorize your product, to tag your product correctly, to create correlation, to create outfit, and so on. So it's a very powerful opportunity. Can we have more of this? Yeah, we can go deeper. So for example, we got this description starting, so a still live image and a very basic e-commerce description. I'm sure many of you have this kind of description of your store. And we can ask AI to optimize this description based on input image, the first description, basic description that you had. And AI, as you can see, can create a better and improved version of your description with more storytelling, and it's a stylish description that includes features, the functional aspect of your product, and it's much more interesting. So what about using AI to create more images or visual content for your product? So we tried experiment with Adobe Firefly to put this product from the still life image into a kitchen. So as you all know, a product page with better quality image videos, or other content like this can convert better, up to 25%, than a very basic, low quality content product page. Yes, baby, we can create campaign images, ambient images with AI. But then we went further with this. So we asked AI, is this for cooking what? So AI suggested us that this product can be used to create and to cook these recipes. AI is not just providing the suggestion and the idea of the recipes, the title, but also providing the real ingredients, and can create a specific recipe. So we can use AI to create the whole content and also the images for the recipes. So you get where I'm going. Can we also add a picture, right? So we add our product into the kitchen from the still life image. Now we can have our kitchen and we can put a pizza in it, because one of the two recipes that AI understood we can use this product to cook is a pizza. So I think you're perfect in getting where we're going. So can we use AI and generative AI for content marketing? Content as marketing is a very specific strategy. So we create like specific content to market our product. They can become organic content, go on Google, bring you traffic, and they can storytell your product and can be used on marketing campaign, social campaign. So yes, we can. We can use generative AI for content as marketing, using as inputs our product, categories. If we do have a commercial or editorial plan, we can add a target and a tone of voice so it can know how to write and which kind of idea to consider, and it can output many powerful things, such as recipes, looks and outfits, listicles, guides, tutorial, collection like must-have, buy, seasonal content, special occasion content. So all of this kind of content you always wanted, but it was very time consuming to create or costly to create. Now let's move on the why. Why should we use generative AI and why it is money? So first of all, we saw the application of generative AI to enhance and optimize product pages and catalog. This part of the website is so important, it can count up to 2 times conversion rates. So 25 to 100% improvement on conversion rate can depend on the quality of the product pages. So if we do have campaign images, we use relation, correlation, why buy, outfit, look, kits, way to wear it, everything this can be created using generative AI. Why we should care? Because we can increase quality of product pages and increase our conversion rate. Second, you saw the strategy about using generative AI as content as marketing. So being able to create more landing pages, more editorial pages, guide, tutorial, seasonal content, evergreen content, localized content. We do not have any kind of limitation to create all this content in 1, 2, 8, 20 languages. There is no limit. We can also work on the search engine optimization strategy, very classic, like long tail, so very vertical and specific keywords, and we can go work with this in a very massive way, very efficiently with low cost and low budget, because AI will do most of the job. So second, we can have more traffic because we can use generative AI to create more content. And last but not least, we finally are able to work with A/B testing. A/B testing is something we always all wanted to do, but we maybe didn't have the team or the budget. Now it's becoming so much easier to create content with this generative AI strategy I'm explaining to you, that we can finally use it to create the B version of the same landing page. You can change the copy, you can change the title, you can use a multi-targeting strategy, so you can create version A for some generation like millennials, you can create version B for Gen Z, Gen Y, and so you can really do call to action testing, you can do A/B testing for landing pages, for product pages, for content pages. So it's a really powerful tool that comes back to your tool belt and you can really apply. So altogether, generative AI can be applied to improve conversion rate of product pages, create content for more organic traffic, and finally you can use A/B testing to improve the return on your investment. So last chapter of my presentation was about how to scale and what is the process. How can we really apply all of this interesting generative AI to our project? So first of all, is it the right time to start? Did you know that Amazon just released a full feature set of generative AI for sellers on Amazon, where you can create and do exactly the same things I'm explaining to you that you can do for your website? Amazon is really providing tools to do it on Amazon itself. Generate content and description from images, generate description from other technical description and content, and so on. So it's the right time to start, and I'm pretty sure that Jeff Bezos knows more than me when is the right time to start. So from where should I start? I think you probably already know, but maybe you couldn't. So you know that you have a gap in quality of the description. Maybe you do not have like other images or campaign images. Maybe you didn't ever had the time to create like outfits, look, those landing pages, additional editorial pages. So you already know, but what like our strategy and our process in my company and my personal tips is to do some kind of gap analysis between you and your competition and see where the quality of your content can be improved. It can be more a matter of quality, a matter of quantity, but you know that you can use AI to provide support in both directions. Then you can create a prototype and test just by using ChatGPT. You can manually test, and if you need to do that for 20 products, you can just do it with ChatGPT. But if you have a big catalog, like 1,000 SKUs and models and products, you can create an API integration with a developer or an agency that can do the job for you. You can get in touch with me and with my company, but many like developers and team around the world can work with them. And so you can create a prototype that can automate this whole process and have some kind of supervised integration, meaning that you can still have automation and generative AI to produce the content, but you will still confirm or refuse some kind of content. So you can have supervision and keep the quality under control. The final step, of course, is to go full automated, autopilot, and let the AI do the job without any kind of supervision. My tip is to start with manual prototyping with ChatGPT, check if it works for your brand, understand the prompts, understand the style you want, understand the kind of output you want, and then you can move to a high level of automation. So regarding the process and how to integrate generative AI into your project, we have two options. For a small project and small brands, you can use ChatGPT or like tools like that from their UI and create the content. So you can just open them now and go try, play with it, and start integrating the first 20 new landing pages on your store, or to improve like 20 products, the bestseller product, into your store. Second, if you are a big brand or if you have like automated process that work on the catalog, data flows, or stuff like that, you can work with a developer and create an automation to develop your prompt automatically applied to your catalog at scale. Third option, you can apply to content generation and use your CMS, whether you're working inside Shopify, Squarespace, or other platform. You can use OpenAI to generate more content, more pages for marketing, as content as marketing, and you can do it now. What you really need to understand is this is a big opportunity to fill the gap and cut the corner with generative AI, and If you were a little bit behind your competition or the market leader of your industry, have a very deep focused look on what you're missing and start filling this gap. I think that probably with generative AI, you can not just fill the gap, but you can cut the corner and surpass your competition and be leading with more content, better user experience, better product pages, more content as marketing, and you can start scaling and skyrocketing your sale with generative AI. Try to use this strategy and let me know in the comment what you think, and if you like to know and keep up the pace with AI news applied to e-commerce, make sure to subscribe to the channel and to my newsletter. Stay tuned for more and go make shit that sells.